back. Gonna be golden. Up, 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 down with voices. You know, ghosts. Okay. So it's part 2. I came with streak of 6. Time to go in my bathroom again. Go in here. Relaxing. Cute. Sobrang naman talaga. Really fun time. Closets. Time to fix my house for once. Because this bed needs to move. That's good. Here. And just scroll. By the way, your phone of PKXD represents your battery percentage in real life. So if you don't pay attention on the notifications on top where it says no battery remaining, you can go here, right here, so you can see, yes, that is.
Hello po, good afternoon. Yes po, ma'am. Sige po. Apo. Apo, ma'am. Apo. Ano po, ma'am, pag magiging second day tour po yan, kasi kung idadagdag po siya sa first day at third day, hindi na po siya, parang out of the way na po siya. Opo ma'am, yung first day po kasi coastal tour. Yung second day po, mountain tour. Tapos yung third day po, sanctuary tour po. Opo, kaya sila magkakasama yung first day. Opo ma'am, magkakalapit lang po siya.
Guys, just don't listen to the background.
Opo ma'am, ganun nga po.
I watched Dynamite
Mm.
this whole job. So, I'm gonna be surviving as a noob in PTSD in my old house.
Opo, so
So, I'm
17
not gonna be using.
18-19 tour po ninyo. Ano pong oras
I'm
po mas yun
only
lang
gonna
po
be using my oldest house. So I will get out and not grumpet.
Oo po.
Just teacher.
Opo ma'am.
We have to solve it.
Opo ma'am, maganda siya.
Oh, I don't know. So as you can see,
Kasi ma'am yung isa, yung Kawayan Holiday po, madaming tao doon ma'am. Magtatagal talaga kayo doon kasi madaming pumapasyal doon. Opo ma'am.
I live here, but I do not have my own bed. It's not to decorate.
Hindi naman tayo pwedeng kumuha sa day po ma'am. Pag tatanggalin yung book cafe, yun lang po yun. Wala siyang pwedeng idagdag. Opo ma'am, kasi magkakalapit lang sila kaya madadaan-daanan din.
So you may have to
Opo ma'am, pwede rin pong kumain. Pwede rin po na kayo mag-dinner kung aabutan po kayo ng ano doon, mga 6,
so I
7,
look better at my outfit.
Yung iba kasi doon na po.
Look like more of a noob.
Opo ma'am, magkakalapit lang din kasi sila.
I will be using that.
Opo, kaya package siya sa
I
day
will
1,
be
day 2, day
using this. Not this.
Hindi po ma'am.
Then I don't know how many gems this costs. So I'm not gonna
Oo
do
ma'am,
that.
maganda dyan. Opo ma'am. Tapos may cliff diving din.
This one's already good. So let's me go. You know what?
2 days lang talaga siya ma'am. Opo kasi kung ano naman, hindi nakayanin lang po kayo siya. Yung sa Nepal.
So guys, I'm
8
gonna show
a.m.
you.
po ma'am.
See,
Opo.
I'm sitting in the ground. So if you don't pickaxe, you go here. Look at this spot. Tap it.
Opo, by schedule
If
siya.
you see this line, these little lines, tap it here.
Opo.
If you see this little line, here after one,
Kasi ang earliest schedule po ng
after
Dumaguete City Hall, mga 7 a.m. po. Tapos yung parang sunod na 10 a.m. na po ata. Tapos 12 or 1.
jumps. Pay 4 jumps after 4. Oh no.
Wait. Ano?
I should probably
Update
not.
niyo ako ma'am kung nakabook kayo ng... Pwede naman yung halfway nyo ma'am. Yung pagdating nyo, kahit 2 falls lang yung mapuntahan. Yung gusto nyo. Opo, kunwari, makadating kayo ng City Hall ng mga 11. Pag lunch lang po kayo, tapos diretso na kayo ng tour. Kahit mga 4 hours tour lang po kayo o 3 hours naman.
By the way, that's a cowboy.
Yung ano niya ma'am, yung first grade nyo, parang gagawin na natin hanggang 18 na siya. Tapos yung third day, magiging 19. Tapos yung second day na gusto niyo yung dalawang falls, gawin natin first day para mapuntahan niyo siya.
The last way I
Yung ano ma'am, yung second day,
Falls is
magiging first day siya, pero babawasan natin.
just directly
Ilan lang,
making this.
itanong natin sa tour guide kung ilan lang yung mapupuntahan doon. Baka dalawang falls, ganun.